Hello students, so in the last video we saw Creative Chitti's way of expressing numbers in different ways. Now we have another calculator that is Systematic Sippy. It has similar type of buttons like +1, +10, +100, +1000, +10,000, +lakh, like that. But it wants to be used as minimally as possible. Okay, minimum number of button clicks should be possible. Right. So how can we get such numbers? Like here they have given two questions, 5072 and 8300. So find out which button should be clicked so that the desired number is given in the table with minimum number of clicks. So now just see this table which shows 5072. So they have used thousands button 5 times, tens button 6 times and ones button 12 times. Now here through this method we are getting 23 button clicks in total. So they have asked us to write in a way, express it in a way that we get the minimum number of button clicks. So let us see how is it possible. So we take 5 into 1000. So thousands click remains the same. Then we take, now tens button they have clicked 6 times. We can take maximum 7 times. So we will do that. And now ones button will be only 2 times. Right, so here how many clicks are we getting? We are getting 5 plus 7, 12 plus 2, that is only 14 clicks. Right, so this is the answer for the question given. Right, now we will try to solve the figure it out questions which are given. The first question is for the numbers in the previous exercise, find out how to get each number by clicking the smallest number of button clicks and write the expression. Right, so we will just see which are the questions, which are the numbers given in the previous exercise. So these are the numbers given and let us try to solve it in the systematic Sippy's way. So the first question is 8300. So here what we will do, we will click 8 button, thousands button 8 times, right? And hundreds button 3 times. So how many clicks are we getting? Here we are getting 8 plus 3, 11 clicks, right? Now let us see the second question. 40,629. So 10,000 buttons 4 times. And then thousands there is nothing. Then hundreds button 6 times. Then tens button 2 times. And ones button 9 times. So here just find out how many clicks you get. It is add the digits 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9, that is 21 clicks. Right? Now let us try to solve the third question. 56,354. So here we will click the 10,000s button 5 times. Now I hope you are all understanding the way. Thousands button 6 times. Then hundreds button 3 times. Then tens button 5 times. And ones button 4 times. So now find out the number of clicks. Before I say the answer, you should be able to find out the number of clicks. Yes, if you are getting 23, it is correct. So 23 clicks are there in this particular question. Now the next question is 66,666. So 10,000 button 6 times. Then thousands button also 6 times. Hundreds button also 6 times. tens button also 6 times, and even ones button is 6 times. Now here, find out the number of clicks. It's easy, all digits are same. There are 5 times, so 6 5s are 30 clicks. Now the last question is 3,67,813. So here we will use the lakhs button. So that will be used 3 times. Then the next is 60,000. So 10,000s button 6 times. Then 7,000 it is. So thousands button 7 times. Then hundreds button 8 times. Then tens button 1 time. And last digit is 3. So ones button 3 times. Find out the number of clicks before I write the sum. So that is, you are getting 28. It is correct. Yes, 28 clicks. You are getting this number, right? Now let us see question number 2. So the question number 2 is, do you see any connection between each number and the corresponding smallest number of button clicks? So what do you think, children? Just now we saw that we were adding the digits to get the number of clicks. So yes, the answer is yes. There is a connection. The least number of button is equal to the sum of the digits of the number, right? So that is the answer. So question number 3, if you notice the expressions for the least button clicks, it also gives the Indian place value notation of the numbers. So think about why this happens. So this happens because the buttons are made based on the Indian place value system, that is hundreds, tens, ones, etc. Also, the number of button clicks is similar to the place value of that number. So with this, we complete the figure it out exercises. For the further solution of this chapter and other chapters, subscribe my channel. You will keep getting the videos. Bye bye.